In this video, we'll draw the top, front, and side views of this corner cabinet. This is the top view, this and this is the front view, and this is the side view. We'll start by drawing the top view first. Let's draw some light construction lines to measure and mark along. Mark off this distance. I'm using a divider because we don't need the numeric measurements for this. And then mark off this distance. Now I'll mark off this exactly. And then this. This drawing is an isometric pictorial, so everything is measurable. That's why I can use my divider on it like this. Then I would go back and darken in all the object lines to distinguish them from the construction lines. We also have an overhang. Mark the overhang off. I'm going to draw some light construction lines for it first. And then draw the overhang with a hidden line. Next, project down from the top view to create the front view. So I'm drawing this plus this. Measure up the height. Now, we need to draw this overhang. I'm eyeballing its thickness. Bringing it over to the body of the cabinet. And then I have the toe kick. I'm eyeballing that. Toe kick is 3 to 4 inches. And the toe kick goes all the way over to this side. And we'll continue the overhang. And then we have a door and a drawer. So that is the front view. The side view is going to be this, but flipped. project everything over. Now, what I can also do is draw a 45-degree angle line and then project all these edges over until they hit it. This is instead of using the divider again to transfer distances. Now I'm constructing this piece. This is this, and this is this. And there you have it.